Hey guys, today we're going to run through the steps on how to restore your wallet in Klever K5 using your 12 words. So firstly, install the Klever K5 wallet. Second, open your Klever Wallet and agree to the privacy terms. Third, hit the option Restore Wallet. Fourth, choose your 6-digit PIN code and confirm. Fifth, enter your 12 words to restore your wallet. When entering your 12 words, make sure that they are in the right order. And when done, click Continue. Here, you can increase your security by activating biometrics if you so wish. You've now restored your account. All of your main wallets of each blockchain are now restored. If you've created additional accounts in your previous wallet, watch the video on how to add those additional accounts easily. Have a great day.